Looks so cute.
Yeah, I'm making small spinach here.
Stabby, stabby, spinach. Stabby, spinach. Poor Kitty, she don't like loud noise.
No, sorry, Kitty.
And Leo thinks he hears something.
Poor Leo.
Yeah, you're my poor boy.
Alright.
Hi, good boy. He's all heard that, mommy. All heard that.
Spinach.